Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's Mr. West here with our second Writers Workshop video and activity. It's usually free choice in the middle of the week, but I thought we might change it just a little bit. It'll still be kind of free choice, but we're going to do something a little bit different today. So in our classes, we've been learning about the solar system and the 8 planets that are in that solar system that we live in. And one thing that you boys and girls may not realize is that astronomers and scientists in astronomy have actually discovered literally thousands and thousands of other planets and other solar systems that are orbiting other stars that we can see in the night sky, which is pretty amazing when you think about that. So today what I wanted to do is I want to let you boys and girls put your thinking caps on, use your imagination, and I want you to come up with your own planet. Something that you like. So you can think about what color your planet's going to be. You can think about how big your planet's going to be. Is your planet going to have a moon, or is it going to have many moons, or no moons at all? Is your planet going to have is your planet going to have life forms on it, or is there going to be no life forms on that planet? So I want you to think about what planet you are going to create today, and it can be entirely your choice. You get to think about that, because the universe is full of surprises, and frankly, even our scientists don't even know what other planets are going to look like outside of our solar system. So I think they're always surprised by what they find too. Let's get to it. So first, we want to make sure we write our name. So I got Mr. West. We want to make sure we write the date. So I got Thursday, June 11th, 2020. And we have a question here. I wrote it in the title. So I said, what does your planet look like? So one thing I want to do first is I want to label. I've already drawn my planet. I didn't want to sort of draw it in front of you today. I wanted to sort of make this video a little quicker so it's a little easier to watch. But let's label this picture. So first of all, my planet, the name that I'm going to give my planet, I'm going to call it Westworld, because my name's Mr. West and I made this world, so we're going to call it Westworld. So I'm going to put a label here, and this is Westworld. Say Westworld. And you probably can't see it, I don't know, can you see it? Not too well. My yellow marker didn't show up, but I'll point a few arrows to them. They're all over the page here. I have some stars that are blinking in the background of my picture, and you can probably see right here at the top, I'll point some arrows to them. These are my moons. So my planet has 2 moons, and they're orbiting Westworld. Now, when we look at my planet, let's think about some things we can write about with my planet. And for you year 2s, again, I want to make sure I reiterate this. I want you boys and girls to make sure that you're trying to write more than 1 sentence. So a lot of you wrote 2 sentences last time for Writers Workshop. Try to push yourself. Try to see how many you can actually write when you describe your planet, because this is really going to help you when you get to grade 1 and you're expected to write a little more. So you want to be practicing that right now, okay? So I'm going to start with my first sentence, and I'm going to say this for my sentence. You know what? Maybe I'll change the color. Let's go with blue. So I'm going to say, my planet is called, and what was that name? It was Westworld. So I'll put a capital W there because it's the name of something. We need to always capitalize our letters when we name something or someone. So my planet is called Westworld. Oh goodness, did my computer shut down? Okay, we are good. Excellent. My planet is called Westworld. It has 2, I'll just put the number 2. It has 2 moons orbiting it. And when we say orbiting, when we say we have an orbit, it means that it's going around. So just like our moon goes around our planet and our planet goes around the sun, my planet here, Westworld, has 2 moons that orbit around it. So that's what that means. So I have two sentences so far. So my planet is called Westworld. It has two moons orbiting it. And if you notice, my planet does actually have water, which would suggest that it is near a star and it's warm enough to have water. It's not too hot, not too cold, so I do have water there. But you might notice on my planet, I made the land purple. So I did not make the land green and beige, kind of like Earth when you look at it from space. My planet's going to have some mysterious kind of plant, something down there that's making it appear purple. Because, like I said, space is full of surprises, and we don't know what to expect when we find new planets. So, first of all, I'm going to say this. My planet has, I'm going to say liquid water. And I will also add a sentence that says, the land is purple on my planet. You know what? I'm going to say the land is purple on Westworld. I'll use the name there. So far I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences, boys and girls. So, oh, my computer keeps going to sleep. There we go, perfect. So my paragraph, or what I've written here, has 4 sentences. So let's read it. Let's see if we can read it together. Again, don't worry too much about getting the right spelling. Try to sound your words out. Try to listen to the letters you're hearing and write down what you hear and try your best. That's all you can do, and that's what Miss Kay and I and Miss Tankard expect from you. Okay? So here we go. Let's read the blue letters here. My planet is called Westworld. It has 2 moons orbiting it. My planet has liquid water. The land is purple on Westworld. And I think I'll leave it at that, but if you boys and girls can think of more things to write about the planet you create, then by all means you can absolutely write that. So again, this week in Writer's Workshop, a little bit more creative. I want you to think of a planet that you create, and I want you to think of a name for that planet. There's got to be a name, because we name all of our planets. So it could be anything you want and any color you want. You could color in your planet whatever you'd like. It could have land, it could have water, it could have something else on it that I haven't even discussed today. It could be entirely up to you. It doesn't need to be a land or water planet. It could be a gas planet like Jupiter, for example. So I hope you have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing all your submissions. I think they're going to be really creative this week. So have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow at the parade at 11 o'clock, boys and girls. Take care.